Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Vibe 7 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps on our watch, first we need to remove the old ones, and to do that, grab your watch and flip it around. And on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. This is basically quick release, and to use it you basically pull on this lever towards the middle of the strap, and it will basically allow you to pull out the strap from the watch. So if you pull on the lever, it will let you to pull out the strap. Quite simple, and I'm gonna show you how this mechanism works. Basically on the watch you have holes on each side of the watch, and how this mechanism works is quite simple. You have two pins on each side of the strap, and one of them is retractable. When you pull on the lever, it basically retracts and allows you to pull out the strap. And here we have our straps and our watch separately. And if you want to put them back on, or maybe you have new straps and you want to attach them, you take your strap, you take the side further away from the, basically opposite side from the lever, you insert it into a hole on the watch, like this, and then you pull on the lever to retract the pin. I don't know if you can see it, but you need to retract the pin, align it with the hole, and then release it. It's a bit wonky, but it's not that hard. And once it clicks into a hole, it will hold the strap. So let's do the same for the other one. Insert it into a hole on the watch, like this, pull on the lever to retract the pin, align it, release it, and hopefully we're gonna hit the hole on the other side. Oh, something went wrong. For some reason this one is fighting with me, but we're gonna get it like this, align it, clicked in, okay, and now it's holding. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.